the fundamental, right? Like, but if you think of it, at the bottom of the barrel, at the bottom of the pyramid is information, right? Like information breeds everything that comes at the top. Like let's take a simple system as maybe a chair, right? A chair. What is a chair? The material itself can be anything. It can be wood, it can be plastic. So the material itself is not a chair, right? What constitutes a chair is the information of the chair. If you know what a chair is, then a chair is that thing that is in your head about. Because right now I'm 100% sure each one of us is thinking of a different form of a chair. It's not. We are not thinking of the same form of your chair when I say a chair, but we still know what a chair means in this case. And because it's information, it's so if you spread that theory like to everything, then you realize that we humans are just like part of this bigger ecosystem of information, right? Because we are just like kind of conduits. Our job is to just move and synthesize information, but like the bigger structure is information. And this kind of makes you realize like Plato was 2000 years ahead of his time, because this is what he was talking about with this theory of forms, right? Like having like this abstract chairness where everybody pulls the concept of a chair from. The same here, where like at the end of the pyramid, at the lowest point of this, at the fundamental is information. Even this quantum physicist called John Wheeler, who also argues that even physical reality goes down to just information. That's why I'm not especially worried about AI, especially in the African context, because take mobile money, for example. In Kenya, if you have heard of M-Pesa in Kenya, this grew so organically that it became like a very big part, a very important part of the bigger infrastructure, of the bigger system, way before digital money and like mobile money started working for the developed world. So I am pretty sure like at least Africans are not against new information technologies, and so the reception to AI will be really less anti as it is in the West. But AI usage in Kenya is literally at 90 something, 95 or 90. It's also like raises a lot of questions, right? Because now even so, who owns our data? Like, where is it really stored, and where what are we gonna do about that?